Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibes, the place for travel tips, news, updates, and fun. Mother's Day has always been special, and this year will be absolutely no different. We have partnered with Samambia Mobile Spa for an absolutely amazing Mother's Day brunch. Where will it be? Oh, glad you asked. It will be at Crane Ridge Resort, and this will be on Sunday, May 14th. We like to call it a day of absolute relax. You will have full day access if you so desire. The pool will be open, and the menu will be absolutely fascinating. Now, some of you will decide based on what we're serving. So, let me give you an idea as to what is on the menu. Akin saltfish, escabeche fish, pineapple glazed chicken, roasted beef with red wine sauce, and steamed vegetables. And of course, it would not be a Jamaican brunch without the staples: the yam, the dumplings, the banana, and potato salad. Guys, we got to get our veggies in, and so we have mixed green salad with nuts and vegetable lasagna. Of course, the staple, the traditional Jamaican situation, will never be complete without the gongo rice and peas. But to kick it off in a fantastic way, we do have the red peas and vegetable pea soup starring the show. Our desserts, oh my goodness, just as a topper-upper, will be our coconut cake and sweet potato pudding. Now, we suggest that you book early because already the hands are running out of space. Book early? Yes, of course. We will be having spa treatments included in our one price. And because we have dubbed this day Super Mom, we have a few special offers that mom will be able to take advantage of. But you must book your spa appointments early, just so that we can ensure that mom gets the divine treatment she so lovingly deserves. So, what will it be? Tension tamer massage, or will it be a stress buster reflexology treatment? That is what Super Mom deserves. Or do you have a royal mom? Then for her, we will do a rejuvenating lavender peppermint body polish, or a lift me up facial. Whichever one you choose, whichever way you choose it, you cannot go wrong. It is Sunday, May 14th at Mystic Ridge. Yep, for those of us who have been around a while, we still call it Crane Ridge. It's Mystic Ridge, and that's 17 DaCosta Drive, Ocho Rios. Starts at 10 a.m. Spa services must be booked in advance, and it's only $6,000 US. Oops, I am so sorry. It is 6,000 Jamaican dollars. Oh my goodness. If it were otherwise, you could have probably taken a cruise and got some massage thrown in. But not to worry, we got you covered. Just to book, you need to give us a call today. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, 527-4098. It's Mother's Day just her way. Give us a call today and let us secure an amazing treat. It's Mother's Day spa party and brunch. Remember, kids are included. We will do a special service for your children. We will also do a special service for yourself. So as much as we want to appreciate mom, you might be so stressed out, so worn out, so tired. We will do additional services up on appointment. So get your time settled, get your information in early. We will take full payment, or we'll even take a deposit now if you give us a call. And for the first 50 callers, you could get a special offer. Compliments of Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Ciao for now.